All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys are doing swell. So today I've got quite an interesting video for you. We're going to be hunting in the koppies at the Renoster Dome. So for those who don't know what the Renoster Dome is, what happened was, it depends on what religion you have and time frame you have for the earth, but many hundreds of years ago a massive meteorite hit the earth and it pushed up these beautiful koppies, or these beautiful hills, and we're going to be hunting in those hills. I'm going with a good friend of mine. You've seen him on the channel already. His name is Ryan, and we're going to go hunting on his farm and see what we can get.
So this was our campsite. It was actually a really nice setup. We pitched 4 different tents. It was too misty to start hunting early in the morning. We had to wait for the mist to lift, so we only really got going a little bit later on.
So guys, this is morning 1. We're getting my boot's going to start a fire. Michael, how's life treating you, my friend?
When life gives you apples, you make lemonade.
That's about right. Around here looking for some, there are duck. Some yellow balls, some, there's some 2-shell duck there. Yeah. Monkeys.
Yeah, you want a monkey?
I wouldn't mind shooting a monkey. Okay, well what we can do is I can chase it into a tree and then shoot it.
You want to pop? You can pop one.
Thank you. I'm going to shoot it with a 2-2.
Go for it.
When I get an open shot at one.
Yeah.
There, they're running through there.
Running into the trees, they're running through, eh?
Do you mind if I could just quickly run one up?
Yeah. Don't shoot.
Chase! There's a monkey. That's a solid hit. Didn't kill him outright though. There he comes. I haven't managed to make a clean shot. There he falls. Ah, vervet. Good girl, good girl. Oh guys, that's a dead vervet. No clawing nicely. Awesome. Good girl, where's it? Come on, seek him up. Seek. Come on, seek him up, where is it? Seek. That was a little bit hard hit. Thank you. That was an orange river. Come here. Come here. Let me help you. Yeah. Clara, hey. Yeah. Drop it. Drop it. Hey. Come here. That is a pretty bird.
I've never shot one. That's an orange river.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. We're gonna eat it.
No, we will.
Right.
There we are. We've got a point ahead of you. Keep walking forward. You can close your gun. Walk towards my dog. Walk towards my dog. Steady, girl. Steady. Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. Birds won't hang around for you. Forward, girl, forward. 2 down. You got that bird, eh? Yeah. Yeah, I hit it and you finished it. There it is. Six. Where's it? There it is, in the bush, right here.
Oh yeah, it is.
Catch it. Clara, catch it. Good girl. Okay, that's the one. Clara, yeah. Clara, hey. Good girl, come. Good girl. Drop it. That's the one. Let's try to pick up the other one. Yeah, the duck's up again.
Oh shit.
Just stay behind the post, Might get lucky, just sit still. That's a long shot. Safety.
Oi.
Did I get one?
One dropped there.
No, that's a coot. We might get lucky.
That one looked like it dropped.
No, that was a coot.
I don't know how quickly it fell down.
There, they're landing there. That one's downed. One landed there, it's downed.
What do you mean? Oh, it's down.
I got it
Yeah, well, that's what I was
with a long shot. Here comes one low,
Oi.
Look at my dog. Let's just go fetch it now. There's one lying there that I've got to go pick up.
So technically I thought I'd missed those ducks, but actually I had taken out the back one without even noticing. I was more focused on the middle main group and was shooting for them and didn't think that I was going to be hitting the one in the back. But just shows you how far those ducks actually were.
Oh, look at that. Bring it here. Look, there, ducks, eh? Ducks have come back. Good girl. No, nicely. Hey, nicely. No, drop.
Nice.
Awesome. There, they're flying. They're going to go land over there somewhere. What's that?
So the next little bit of this clip is actually us hunting jackal at night with a spotlight. I hope you enjoy.
He's running. Did you hit him?
No.
Did you hit him?
No, we're fairly not.
That hit. That's a hit.
That's a hit. The second one was a hit. Nice.
Okay, I don't know where he's gone now. There he is. He stopped. He's running again. The second one was a hit.
Who shot?
Ah, I shot the second one.
Well done. Did you take the silencer off, James?
No.
Bite it.
That's one I used.
Give it a shake. Kill it. You see how much she hates Jackal. Get it.
Almost looks like a dog, but different.
The first time she wasn't interested, eh? She didn't want to know anything about the jackal.
She knows what they are now.
Oh, yeah. This is the first time she's seen a jackal.
No, we've shot a few.
Okay. Kill it till it's dead. I think he died it twice.
Clara wants to kill. Kill them, Clara.
The watering system's done properly, see it, eh?
Sorry?
Boom. They got 2 taps. What's he got?
this big male. Yes.
So obviously bring them into the enclosures with water. You see that? They close their water. They've got 2 watering points. You see that?
Yeah. No, we've also only feed them in this enclosure. Okay. It's calling. It's actually vocalizing.
Want to turn off?
No. So I hope you enjoyed that footage. I really had a blast with the boys out there. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the footage, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys in a week's time.